Hey, what's going on, everybody watching on Twitch, on YouTube? This is episode 16, Crypto World News Daily Show. We do this Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, live on Twitch. If you want to catch my next show, it is twitch.tv/Crypto World News, and that's going to be January 18th. That's coming up on Monday. Today's Friday, January 15th. Happy Friday, everybody. Hope you are doing well, staying safe, staying COVID free, and not following politics too closely because it'll make you stupid. Anyways, we've got some Bitcoin news we're going to go over today, a little bit of Chainlink Paxos news, some Ethereum news, and we've got a DeFi of the project. Lastly, we are going to be taking suggestions from you, the audience, and we're going to be looking at our trade. So I don't really have a whole bunch, all those commercials or whatever. I've been dealing with copyright. YouTube, the people who are making, I'm not trying to monetize my videos, but people are trying to monetize on top of it. So thanks for the follow. I'm trying to avoid that. Anti-commercials. Can't hear. Oh, fantastic. I had my mic muted. Okay. Sorry, guys. I had my mic muted for the stream, so they wouldn't be able to hear us. But anyways, guys who are listening on Twitch, welcome. Twitch.tv/Crypto World News. We do this Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. What's up, Slow Blow? What's up, Alta? Crypto Dizzy can't hear. Rick Vito, thank you for telling me. I would have continued on my show, but you guys wouldn't have been able to hear. It's gonna. I got the recording from the beginning on my OBS side, so we are good to go. Basically, what I was saying is that there were some copyright issues regarding those funny commercials that I've been playing. So trying to work through those and create my own content so people don't monetize on top of my content, because it's not about money, it's about education. And so Bitcoin, we've got a couple things, we got a couple articles that we're going to talk about. But real briefly on Bitcoin, we're looking at a 4-hour chart. We were here yesterday. Looking at this level as our resistance, that 40,120 or whatever, something like that. We did manage to get smacked off of that, making, if we wanted to play this out, what we've done so far is we made a high. This was our local low. We came up, we made a higher high, new all-time high, and then we made a higher low. So what happens then? We made a higher low. We came up higher than here, so we're going to retest our high. That's what we did. We retested our local high. We failed to break up. So now what happens? Retest local low. 31.5 area. We'll see. If we get back below that, that's probably going to be indicative of, I wouldn't be surprised if 20 to 30% correction downwards. If we get back below here, we could easily see that 22K BTC to 25K Bitcoin again, which I absolutely love. This chart pattern right here, I'm not going to play this 4-hour out as a failure to make a local low. That seems like an incorrect analysis and a little preemptive. What I would play this as is a failure to make a local high. So that is a play right there. So this was our high, and then we failed to get back above that. So now our playing, using this analysis, realistically, our next test would be our local low test. So we'll see what happens whenever we get down there. We're looking at a daily candle below 34K. 34K would be bearish if we get and close below here. There's really nothing. This is all. We would move very quickly through this area. Let's say that. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. If we were managed to, try and make this a bullish scenario, we're going to need some heavy, I would assume a few days of, I don't know if consolidation is the correct terminology, but we would need a few days of a little bit less volatility and more stability. But I really don't think that's going to happen. I fully believe that we are going to make some profit on our trade. So anyways, we are going to talk about some news stuff, news articles. Anyone in chat? Anyone saying anything? Ba-ba-bow. At least you guys can hear me now, so that's good. Okay. Yeah, we're going to go over some news articles right after this.
Trina. And my name is Hugh. I'm Sarah. I'm Emma. And I'm Joe to you. Hello, my name is Spencer. And mine is Lorraine. I'm Anthony. I'm Debbie.
And I'm Bitcoin. All right, I better stop that before I catch a copyright. Thanks for sticking with us through our commercial break. We are back. First, we are going to be looking at a little bit of Chainlink news. If you are not familiar, Chainlink is probably one of the better altcoins that's currently in the cryptocurrency market. And Chainlink is currently going after the... it's not really going after, but there's a lot of implementations of the Chainlink token that we're currently seeing. One of those we can see Paxos adopts the Chainlink Oracle to further adopt of Pax and PaxG tokens. So this is the DeFi Chainlink space. I love it. Paxos G, bullish news. Let's really quickly look at Chainlink just to see how fundamental plays out in technical analysis. All right, so we're looking at Chainlink on a daily chart here. We had some crazy wickage up to $22 from, I guess yesterday we were about 14. So there's definitely some crazy movement going on, and this really move has not started yet. I believe Chainlink is definitely looking ready and primed, especially with the fundamental analysis going on. We have a daily candle close top right here. Anything above this territory pretty much just looks like breakout price discovery. So we have, let's look at a little smaller time frame. 4 hour, we've gone through it already. We've gone through it once, twice. This level, this resistance is almost non-existent in my opinion. We've already busted through it once and busted through it here on this second 4 hour candle. This is going to rocket really hard in the next few days. I guess we can take a quick, let's see, what can we expect? I mean, the Chainlink is just ridiculous. 36 to $50 Chainlink. Yeah, I mean, that looks pretty good. A lot of these altcoins have a lot of room to go. Okay, no questions. Bitcoin is, let's see what Bitcoin's doing really quick. Bitcoin's trading at 35,623. Okay, 45 minutes, seeing a little bit of rejection. Probably going to come back underneath 34K daily close. Underneath 34K will be that cascade effect we were talking about. Watch what happens whenever we daily close underneath 34K. Watch. Not to say that that is going to happen, but if we were to, this does not look indicative of a, for me at least, of a real bottoming pattern. This looks like a further continuation downwards. Obviously, there's going to be some traps in place, and I really even wouldn't be surprised if we came back up and retested 37K, being one of those potential traps, whatever that looks like. All right, that's it. Paxos, Chainlink. You want to check out these articles? I will drop them below. Chainlink is looking very bullish in 2021. Price discovery territory. I mentioned this yesterday. Just be careful taking profit in 2021 with these altcoins in price discovery territory. I'd hate for you to lose your coins because you want some cash. But they're just going to keep printing cash, so I don't know. I would just advise holding your coins until we can kind of get some more stability with our economy. All right, let's look over at Ethereum. Why is Bitcoin, why is cryptocurrency, blockchain technology? Who cares? Who gives a crap? Okay, Ethereum basically moved $1 billion, $1.1 billion in a transaction in under 30 seconds, and it cost $7 in transaction fees. So if you still don't care about Bitcoin and blockchain, I'm sorry. If this doesn't mean anything to you, basically there are transactions that take place in the billions of dollars on a daily basis, and they take time and they cost money. And Bitcoin is slowly encroaching on that market. Cross-border payment solution, XRP, also tapping into that market, just getting listed, or going to get and put in 1,300 ATMs or something like that. So yeah, let's take a brief look at XRP really quick. Want to talk about this. We were looking at it yesterday, XRP to BTC. Now, gosh, there's been XRP news going around, okay, folks? It's going around, and it keeps going around and around and around and around. Now, it's FUD, okay? Grayscale, I don't care. They don't have the ability to. There are rules and reasons why Grayscale had to drop XRP. So whatever, who cares? SEC, they're probably going to drop their lawsuit. What's his name? Morgan P. The dude who initiated the 1.3 bill lawsuit against Ripple has stepped down from the SEC. So, and more and more countries are coming out saying that Ripple is not a security token. So that's probably why I'm pretty bullish on the Ripple, especially if Bitcoin wants to continue to move downward to that 23 to 25K area. I mean, I think there's a huge potential here for Ripple to make some serious movement. I mean, this could have just been a shakeout. I mean, I understand there was fundamental behind it, but this could have been, not saying it was planned, and this does not look good technically to trade at all, at least on this weekly here. Maybe on like a 4-hour, you can take like a, long to 1,400 Satoshi sats, which would be about double from where we're at right now. Technically making a higher low, and so we would test our local high of 950 Satoshi. So that's where we're at right now. XRP wants to test its local high, I believe, which was here. So that's why I'm long in my position. We can look at our trade, and I'm gonna see. Okay, Ethereum. Yep, we talked about ETH transacting and how that use case is Swift cross-border payment solutions. Ethereum searches reach all-time high. Okay, that's new. That's bullish. Ethereum. What is the box in the bottom left? Binance, BitMEX, etc. It is an aggregator that is aggregating net big orders, significant orders that are coming across these exchanges. We are able to see what's going on, and if you keep looking at it, you can also see liquidations as they come up as well. If you want to check it out yourself, or you want it up on your screen, type !AGGR in chat, and it'll give you the link. And !AGGR2 is the newer version, but I like the old one better. Compliments to Tusky. Yep. Okay. So Ethereum searches all-time high. That's all. We don't really care about that much. All right. I've got I don't know what this is.
So in tasting, what we do is take a small amount right off the top.
Okay. All right. I know what this is. This is this is a new crypto investor.
It doesn't take much. That's the warmest part right here. I'm going to invert
That's
the
Bitcoin
spoon.
at $42,000. Oh yeah. Oh,
Cover all 9,000 taste bud.
a little bit of Ripple,
Aerate it. Warm it up.
Litecoin.
driving up
Bitcoin Cash,
that top note,
Cardano.
that cream, pure vanilla.
I had to do it. Okay. Let's take a look at our coin market cap. We're taking suggestions from you guys, the audience. If you have any coins you'd like for me to chart, now is the time to drop them in the chat. I do have a crypto wrap that I've been working on, but I don't know if I want to like do it live. I don't know. There's like audio and stuff I got to figure out. All right, we're going to look at our DeFi of the day. Our DeFi project of the day is called Prosper.so. Prosper.so is a predictable outcome, or it's a short-term non-custodial prediction and hedging platform based on Binance's smart chain and Chainlink. It utilizes the Chainlink architecture. So what does this mean? This is more decentralized. This is so basically you can predict the price of like Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. And you can earn, if you win or lose, you can create your own pools. Look at this is a roadmap. Q4 2021, custom predictions, short-term predictions, blockchain liquidity, aggregator, and bridges. Okay. Yeah, but this is the token. This is a pretty cool DeFi project, Prosper. Let's see if we can like do anything with it. Oh, okay. Connect wallet. Oh, we're gonna have to do the MetaMask thing. I don't want to do that right now. Anyway, so this looks pretty cool. You can basically long and short without needing for a KYC, which is interesting. I wonder what the laws are going to be. I don't know how they can regulate this, but anyways, so yeah, that's pretty cool. Cool project. Let's see. I think it's actually doing pretty popular today. That's why I picked it. CoinGecko Prosper. It's a relatively new platform. Prosper. There it is. Number 39. So it's trading at 34 cents. Let's see if we can pull it up on Dex Tools. I know we're spending a lot of time on our DeFi project of the day, but hold on. Just bear with me. I want to show you guys something. So this is a coin, Prosper, whatever, yada, yada, yada. DexTools.io allows you to view coins that aren't listed on exchanges. The only thing is you have to be careful of make sure they're the right coin, because anyone can create a token contract and call it Prosper. This looks like the correct one with the daily volume being $1 million. $3 million, actually. Okay, so this coin came out January 14th. Yesterday, this project just released. And it released for about 70 cents. And currently, we're about 35 cents. These DeFi projects, I've never seen coins go up and down faster than, I guess, these projects. So there's a lot of money to be made and lost. How would you buy this coin? Let's say you wanted to buy Prosper. Well, you'd click trade. It would take you to Uniswap. And then from here, if you're not familiar with Uniswap, basically all you do is it's going to want me to start my wallet. Ugh. Hold on. Da, 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 da. Okay. All right. So if you're not familiar with the platform, here's how this works. So it allows you to create liquidity pools between any two pairs. I can create an ERC20 token and pair it to Ethereum, and now you can come and buy Elliot token with your Ethereum, and I don't have to have my Elliot token listed on an exchange. So this is pretty unique and pretty new to the finance world. So I want to buy some of these coins. Let's pretend. So I'm going to click this button right here, switch it up. ETH for, I want to buy pros. So however much ETH you want, or however much pros you want, it'll give you the what your estimated swap will be, and then you would click swap, and then you'd pay that transaction fee or whatever. But yeah, and that's how you can participate in making or losing a bunch of money trading DeFi projects, if you want to trade them. I mean, but yeah, that's Prosper. If you want to check out this, I'll drop it in the link. Prosper.so is pretty cool. Binance hedging platform. Let's see if there's anything to chart. Nope. Oh, can you see NIMIQ? Yes. Let's see what that is. NIMIQ. To Tether, is there anyone in particular that you want to see? Hit BTC to the US dollar. Okay. Well, this is not listed on NIMIQ. It's on HitBTC. It's only on a few exchanges. Looking at a monthly chart here, not a bunch of data to really give us, but I don't really know the fundamentals behind this coin. We are up above our monthly candle close breakout zone. I mean, this is price discovery on the monthly. Look at the weekly. Okay, we're not quite there. Ideally, we want to get above this level that we've tested twice, 0.00748, and then would be our weekly resistance that we are currently facing, and we're kind of sitting on top of I think some support as well. Like I said, I don't know the fundamentals behind this coin, but I think there's a little bit of resistance, but not much. This coin could definitely break out, and I think a lot of these altcoins are going to make some pretty crazy moves here in 2021. So a lot of potential. I mean, this coin could be 2 cents, 3 cents. I don't know if that helps, tells you anything. Stream is paused. Oh no. Thanks, dude. Okay, hopefully it's back now. Here's what we're looking at. NIM. I'm not sure exactly how long it was paused for. This was our monthly we were talking about. What I mean by monthly breakout territory is if you notice these two candle closes only wicked above where we're currently, where we're at. They didn't actually candle body close. So that's why I fully believe that, just like we saw something similar with Bitcoin before we saw our exponential move. Basically, if this was Bitcoin, this would be about 14 to 17K, and we're. I can actually show you if you want what I'm talking about here. Okay, so look at this. So this is our monthly BTC, about 14K. Okay, monthly BTC candle close. Anything above this is like monthly. We never closed a monthly above here. So when we were right here, this monthly, I basically right here, we knew this monthly was just going to do something crazy. We were about 15, and then it, yeah, because we closed up. So this is all. We're going to use all of this data that we're getting right now, all of this new price discovery data, in order to better our analysis in the future. So this is great. I love price discovery and emotions. So, all right. Looking at our trade really quick. Any other suggestions? Any suggestions from you? Okay. No suggestions. All right, cool. Let's look at our trade. We are in a short for our BTC. We have sold 0.04 BTC. Filled price is 36,790. Currently sitting in some profit. So we're going to let this play out. And yeah, I'm going to come back to this tomorrow. XRPD BTC, we are long on the ripples to Bitcoin. This coin is going to pump it up. I don't know when it does, and it's really difficult to like market timing and predictions, and but when this coin does decide to move, get out of the way. This is going to be This is going to get weird fast. This is how I'm going from $100 to a Tesla Cybertruck in 2 months. I mean, God bless. God bless XRP. I mean, can you just imagine, like, how mad would Grayscale and their investors be? Oh, we dumped it. Oh, we dumped it 20 cents. They were. I'm serious. They were dumping. They were selling at like 19 cents. Yeah, 17 cents. I mean, 21 cents. I loved it. I actually bought XRP here, and I think I got a little bit more here. But this is a very, very difficult to time. So I'm taking my risks, obviously, and hopefully looking to take some profit as well, because yeah. So that's it. We're gonna keep our trades open. I'm not touching our trade today. We're gonna leave everything as is. We've got let's look at some traditional market. Dow Jones on the 30-minute seeing some rejection or whatever you want to call it. Let's look at a 4-hour, a little bit bigger time frame. Okay, yep. We're kind of seeing some similar things from traditional markets as we are with Bitcoin. So maybe Bitcoin is following traditional markets. It would be the more accurate assumption. Crude oil honestly doesn't look terrible. I've never traded oil before, but I don't know. I kind of am thinking that oil is going to go up. NASDAQ, really briefly. Okay. Yeah, TLT 20-year Treasury bonds were taking a dump, so that's kind of to be expected. If you aren't familiar, TLT Treasury bonds 20-year, kind of an inverse correlation between traditional markets. So when this starts to pump, I mean, S&P and the Dow Jones kind of start to dump. So, all right, do you think we are going lower for BTC? Do you think? Yes. But the market doesn't owe me anything and doesn't always do what I think. And yeah. And I've explained the reasons why I believe we are going lower is to simply test our local low of 31.5. So if we fail to make a lower local low of 31.5, then absolutely we would come and retest our local high, which was a failure of our all-time high. So I mean, this is kind of indecisive right now, in my opinion. This looks like a good short. This looks like it was a good short move, but at the same time, the market does not like to be nice to what the majority of people expect. So hopefully everyone was trying to long at 42K, which they were, and their mothers were, because I was receiving phone calls daily from people just, hey, you were that Bitcoin guy, right? Yeah, so I fully believe that this happened. People bought $42,000 Bitcoin. That's what they wanted. And the market needs to not clear them out, but just remind them that you're here for the long term, buddy. And last year 2018, sorry. Remember how stupid you looked buying $20,000 Bitcoin in 2018 or 2019 for that matter? You know how many people would love to buy $20,000 Bitcoin in 2021? Okay? It's just a matter of perspective. It's all relative. You can think you're a dumbass for a year or two for buying all-time highs, or just come back in a few years and, I don't know. So it's all a matter of perspective and it's relative. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your viewership, your guys' interaction, engagement with me. This makes it fun for me. Yesterday was my favorite show. This one is okay. It's not my it's not my most favorite show that I've done yet, but it's pretty fun. If you want to catch me live, I'll do this next Monday. Hope you guys have a great weekend, by the way. Monday, January 18th, live on Twitch. Bring some altcoins for me to chart. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. Stay safe. And shout out to Orange Holder. Shout out to Pablo, Valero G. Shout out to Nightbot. Yo, shut up, Nightbot. Shout out to Alta, Crypto Dizzy, everybody watching in chat. And I will talk to you guys on Monday. Thank you so much. Stay safe.